My name is Sarvesh. I am the brand head for Mool. What led us and inspired us to curate Mool was the fact that we wanted to get home-style food from across the country into one place in Bombay. What differentiates us is that you get 15 different home-style meals at any given point of time from across the country. So when we started curating Mool, we went across the country, we met up with home chefs and we gathered recipes which they generally serve to their families. That same recipe has come down in Mool and it is in the form of meals that we serve here at Mool. For every time someone buys a meal, a part goes back to the home chef as royalty, and that's the entire concept of Mool, which means from the roots. So one of the most brilliant dishes on the menu that we have in Mool is Liti Choka. Liti Choka essentially is from Bihar, but we learnt it from a family in Jharkhand. Mr. Rachit Rampal took the pains to tell us exactly how Liti Choka is made. So basically, sattu is the main ingredient in Liti Choka. The dough balls are made of wheat and it is filled with sattu. It is dry roasted over a live charcoal using cow dung, which we use here as well. And then it is served with a mash, which is called choka. Choka is essentially made of aubergines, brinjals, tomato, onion, some coriander, some green chili, and lots of mustard oil. Part of the Mool menu is the Guchi Kali Mirch Shatavari. Guchi is morel mushrooms, which are traditionally from the Himalayan belt, so most commonly sourced from Kashmir, but we get them here from the Uttarakhandi side of the country. That along with Shatavari, which is asparagus, from which we're sourcing from Punjab, we have curated this beautiful appetizer called Guchi Kali Mirch Shatavari, wherein we stuff the morel mushrooms with some more morel and it goes right into the grill, which is tandoor. It gets tandoored and then marinated with some more spices, tossed in some more marinade and placed on the plate along with pan grilled asparagus. Beautiful dish, very subtle, very simple, and yet very, very rooted in our culture.